dum, 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 dum. Knock, knock.
Hello and welcome to the Misha and Jake residence.
Jake and Misha residence.
Soz, yeah. I think we broke the sofa. Hi everyone, and welcome to our new home.
Woo!
Ah!
What's that?
That was my scared noise. So, we now live together. Happy? I promise.
It's crazy.
He wasn't forced. This isn't under duress. But this is a very new. Oh, am I entertaining you?
No.
This is a very new and exciting chapter of our lives, so we wanted to show you the journey. So, without further ado,
welcome to our home.
literally. Woo! Okay, hi. So, here's our magnificent corridor. Welcome. It's all very plain and white. This flat has come semi-furnished, and some of the furniture that I'm going to show you won't be here long term. It's getting taken away. It'll make sense. Anyway, favourite thing in the whole flat, this cupboard. This is the biggest spacious cupboard, huge double doors. This is mine and Jake's naughty corner. So we're annoying each other.
Your naughty corner.
Yeah, this is just for me. Bye! So the plan is to put coats here, shoe rack here, and then Jake's golf clubs here, like so. It's very spacious, very great. Also, I love how the lights come on automatically when you open the door.
Is it? I think they're just on the whole time.
I hope they're not.
Yeah, they're definitely on the whole time. Probably have to turn them off.
How do we do that? Because that's an expensive
Probably
electricity bill. Come down to the corridor. We have this little nook bit here, which is going to have a full-length mirror, so we can do little cheeky outfits.
Why are you showing a nook bit?
Because the nook
Can
is
you not
very
just get to the
important.
rooms?
Also, I really like this floor. It's like a grey wood vibe. So
It's brown.
This is my dressing room. This is the second bedroom.
Soon to be.
Right now it's got all their furniture in it. The bed's going, the bedside tables are going, the wardrobe's going. This room is my biggest project, and it's probably the room that's going to take the most amount of time because it's like very strangely shaped, but basically gonna have my wardrobe, gonna have my desk, gonna have a sofa bed of some sort. And then if you come with me...
No, don't show the view from there.
What, just that bit?
Show it from the...
No? Show you not?
We'll show you that in a minute.
Okay, we'll show you that in a minute. I've got a big window, which I'm going to obviously centre all my room around so I have good light. Also, downlighters everywhere, which I really appreciate. Carpet is beautiful, looks clean as anything.
Ooh, they're nice shoes.
I'm sorry about my chubs.
Chubs? Chebs?
Oh, I thought it was chubs.
Chebs.
Anyway.
Stop copying me anyway.
Back down the corridor.
Do a cartwheel.
Woo. We're planning on putting a lot of prints up, making this like our own space. And then in here, this is my bathroom. I feel like we seem like we're really bougie. We've got two bathrooms because Jake wanted a separate shower and we also wanted a bath. So this is the Misha bathroom because this has the bath. And as we know, I have a lot of like skincare products. So look
Here he is.
at these cupboards. Look at them. They are every part of my dream. Like, I can stack all my skincare to look beautiful. So this is the Pulu. This is the one that we're allowed to poo
That was
in.
the shower, not the Pulu.
Sorry, that is not the Pulu. This is the bath. This is the Pulu.
No, this is your Pulu.
Oh, sorry. We have to poo in separate loos, apparently. Don't even ask. Don't even ask. But yeah, lovely sink. Great water pressure. Also, this is for towels because we're bougie, and you know we roll up our towels.
We're not bougie at all.
Love the colouring in here. Beautiful, fabulous, amazing. Oh, cupboard behind you. Not a very exciting cupboard.
I mean, it's an airing cupboard.
Well, you might want to. I don't know if you're gonna fit.
Someone might want to see it.
So,
If you really like your
look,
Wi-Fi.
the light did go on when I did that.
it did.
So, this is apparently water. I was on FaceTime to my dad earlier, he explained. This is my baby. This is my washer stroke dryer. And then here is where I'm going to put a drying line.
And for all the Wi-Fi fans out there,
Here's our
this
Wi-Fi.
is Open Reach and Hyper Optic.
Apparently the Hyper Optic's better, so that's the one that we will be joining. We're going to close up this bad boy. So, for a small flat, it has quite a lot of storage, which is something that we really looked for because I have a lot of shit.
You're a mess.
Okay, then should we go to the master next? So continuing the corridor, this is the master bedroom. So we have this space here with TV plugs. So this is where a unit will go and the TV will go on. Then we pan across the room. It's the exact same bed as the other room, but we're actually going to keep this bed, probably. We're not 100% sure yet.
Mirrors.
Mirrored wardrobe. So this is Jake's wardrobe because he has a lot less stuff than me. It's actually, babe, it's actually so spacious in here.
Massive.
Like, I think we could sleep. Oh no, let me know.
There we go. Peace and
so
quiet.
claustrophobic.
I will do the rest of the tour. No, joking.
Also, I like how on this side you've got your little mini shelves. Oh, he's not even showing the mini shelves, he's showing his view. So this is our
the bedroom view.
We do have the railway line, but the window is so good at keeping up the noise.
You can't
cannot
hear
hear it, like at all. If I open this...
Maybe we'll try and get a little scene when a train comes past.
Yeah, we'll run to the window. But if we're quiet... There's noise, but it's not that noisy. The area that we're in is kind of under construction quite a bit, but like that's totally fine. And then you can be nosy and see other people. We're probably going to move this bed a little bit this way, and we've already decided this is my side of the bed, and that's Jake's side.
Shall I?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was good for cinematics.
Then this is Jake's bathroom, which obviously I will also be allowed to use, but when I ask nicely.
She won't.
It's pretty much the exact same, apart from the fact it's got a little bougie walk-in shower.
I have a shower, you wash me in the shower and I wash you in the shower.
He used it earlier and...
I didn't actually shower, I
he just wanted to check the water pressure, and we need to get a squeegee. This has the exact same cupboard, which if anyone has recommendations on how to clean mirrored glass, I would really appreciate it. He's checked, it still flushes. Great water pressure. And oh my god, also, what I really like about this bed is it's got underbed storage. It's not huge, but it's really useful. So that's great.
Josh and Naylor know exactly what's going in there, just to let you know.
Those are his best friends, by the way. Then, welcome to our living room! Wait, put the other light on. How do I... what am I...
You're rubbish with the lights.
Oh no,
just give it a moment. There we go.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Living room, stroke dining room, stroke kitchen. Now this is the room that for me sold the place. Well, didn't sell it because we're renting. We can't afford it in a million years to buy. So, fridge. It's obviously empty right now.
Please don't go through every single cupboard.
Freezer.
You're going to fast forward this, right?
Oven. Microwave.
That's not a microwave, is it?
It's a microwave oven, so you can use it as a microwave and you can use it as an oven.
Oh, jeez.
See, I listen. Then...
Lucozade and beer fridge.
Yeah, it's not a wine fridge. We don't drink wine really. Maybe an odd like red wine or white wine.
I do.
Then cupboard. Cupboard. Not cupboard.
Fast forward this bit.
Cupboard.
Quick, I want to get out to the best bit before it gets dark.
Cupboards. More cupboards.
Tap.
Dishwasher. This is a lovely brand new dishwasher. And then, this is my favourite thing in the whole kitchen. It has an inbuilt cutlery selector.
Wow, riveting.
Yes. And then we've got the hob, induction hob, so we need to buy special induction pans. Then under
King of the castle, king of the castle, I have a chair, I have a chair. Carry on.
This is what I've got to
Doing
live
it from
with
the chair.
Is they're lovely chairs, I'll give you that. Excuse me, could you come and see my under sink storage?
Oh my god, no one cares about that.
I
If
care.
anyone cares about under sink storage, please comment below.
Babe, how does this bin open?
I have no idea.
Oh, like that. So basically, that's way too small. We're going to need a big bin.
Look at this.
We've got to, excuse
sorry.
me. We've got two sinks here. Apparently that one's
That's for my washing up, and that's for Misha's washing up.
And then you've got a window
Nice
here with a
window.
blind. You've got so much countertop space. There's even a USB one there, so I can charge my phone whilst I cook.
There we go.
Dining table area. This came with the
Chair.
flat and chairs. Really nice chairs. Okay, you are panning in the weirdest
I'm
angles.
going outside
Okay,
to
he
show
wants
the
to
best
show you
bit.
his little nest.
Oh, God, one sec.
No.
No, it's this way.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I was wrong.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the balcony. Oh, we have actually missed the sunset, but it sets over there. And if you look really closely, you can see the Eiffel Tower there.
Hello!
Imagine if I dropped. What would you do if I dropped it?
I would cry. So this is going to be Jake's little...
This is my project.
This is his January project. He doesn't start his new job until February. So the whole of January, he's going to be doing something. And yeah, we have to... I don't even know.
Oh look, there's the train. You couldn't hear it.
So I don't know what's going on out here. All I've said is fairy lights and a plant. But yeah, we're west facing, so we get the sun, which is lovely. Then if we come back in, this door's really heavy, which I think is good. Okay, so has all curtains built in as well. They're really good light blockers and they're really nice curtains. You can see that the whole flat kind of has like a grey vibe to it.
Grey.
I'm gonna get like little closers. There's also a window here out onto the balcony. So you know when you're out there doing your work, I can hand you a drink.
Sorry.
Oh.
Another train.
Can you hear anything?
Just your voice.
Well, it's my YouTube video, so I noticed that. Back to the tour.
Train! Another train! That one is for Josh Gwilt. I hope you watch this and hear this.
So if we pan around this way, you can see the room as a whole. So you do kind of have like separate areas. You've got your dining, your kitchen, and your living room. Sofas came. Coffee table came, rug came, TV cabinet came. Probably not going to keep that one. Probably going to swap out the rug. And then obviously you've got so many plugs. I love having plugs, so it's everywhere. At the moment, we're not sure whether to do like a full-length mirror here, a print here. We don't know whether Jake's desk area is going to be here or there. Like we just don't know, but we're just going to figure it out.
Work it all out.
Once we build everything, you know, we'll get a better idea of space.
Can you please close that cupboard? Oh, and that one.
Oopsies. So, this is our home for the food.
Woo.
Okay, wait. Let me get you in as well. Have I forgotten anything?
No. Hey, I'm home.
So, this is our newest... Oh, you're too high up. You're so
Do you want me to
tall
hold
today.
it?
Yes, please.
I'm tall today. Oh, I can't see a thing now.
Oh, babe, what is that?
One sec, you hold it.
Okay, wait, we're in weird
Should we
light.
delete that?
So, this is our new home. We are very excited to be here. Are you going onto the sofa? No shoes on the sofa.
No shoes on the sofa.
So, I hope you guys are as excited as we are for this new chapter. And I'm buzzing.
I'm excited now that I'm here.
I can't wait to like make it our own. Yeah?
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, exactly. So stick around for more videos to do with moving. I will literally do everything physically possible that I can. But I hope you guys love it as much as we do. And sorry to just knee you in the willy.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, you're right.
Okay.
Let me sit up like normal.
Yeah, let's sit up. That's your fault. But we'll love you and leave you. This is the first official video from the flat. But stay tuned for transformations, me and Jake trying to build stuff and we can't build. And Jake's balcony transformation. That can be a video in itself.
Oh my god, yeah, check out my new YouTube channel. I'm joking.
Yeah, anyway. Mwah.
Mwah.
I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. We'll love you and leave you. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more moving vlogs, videos, content, everything.